an exciting time for me because I am the advisor that is assigned to your area. And I've been there a few times already. So, and I have clients in Hondo. So this is exciting. Okay, so what do? We basically do two things. We offer one-on-one confidential advising for an entrepreneur at no cost because your tax dollars pay for us to provide this for you. And we get funded from the Small Business Administration, which is the federal dollars that we receive, as well as from the state of Texas. And we are very, very thrilled to be part of the small business and economic development ecosystem in the state of Texas. The other thing we offer that is absolutely sensational at over 250 classes a year is training for entrepreneurs. This isn't training for university students. This isn't academic. This is practical, hands-on training on things that entrepreneurs might need to help with their business. And this goes everywhere from QuickBooks at all levels to legal issues, contracts, marketing tips, how to use AI for your businesses, how to finance your businesses, how to build a business plan. And the topics are huge. And a lot of the times we as staff provide the classes, but a lot of times also we bring in subject matter experts that provide these classes at no cost to you. So 98% of our classes are at no cost. And then when we do have a fee, those are usually for a cost recovery issue because we're bringing in expertise that cost us and we pass that on to you. So we service at the UTSA Small Business Development Center, Bexar County, and the additional 10 counties around Bexar County. I also serve Atascosa, Wilson, and Frio counties on top of Medina County. And we all have clients. We have 8 advisors, and we all have clients all over that service this entire area. So how do we help you? Basically, like we said, we do 2 principal things, advising and training. So these are just some of the topics that we help you with. Business planning. This can be strategic. Like, do I need to develop, performance indicators, key performance indicators, KPIs for my business? I want to sell my business. I want to buy my business or buy a business or a franchise. Am I going about this correctly? We help you determine the total project cost, which is vary sometime from what you think it is, because there are a lot of things you don't think about, like staying power to stay in businesses, enough working capital to be alive so that the other markets can get to know you. We have an on-staff certified professional human resource manager who provides human resource assistance to all of the different SBDCs that are in our network. Our network is housed at the University of Texas at San Antonio, and it's basically the bottom half of Texas, and it includes 10 SBDCs. And we are in the UTSA SBDC and the 10 surrounding counties. We offer social media training, financial accounting training. We get you prepared for a loan. We help you with your business plan. We can't write it for you, but we assist. And we help you with the financial projections and market justification, anything that might be needed to get you a loan. So cash flow is absolutely king when it comes to financing. And so we help determine if the loan that you are seeking is something that you can afford. So we also help provide the regulations that are needed from different counties and different cities. So as you can imagine, this can get a little hairy because what's required in, Medina County might not be required in Wilson County, and so on and so forth. But we also provide all the training that the state of Texas provides us on licensing and permitting in different professions. Our whole mission is to be tailored around the small business owner's needs. So we cater our services or tailor our services to whatever the needs of the businesses are. This is how we measure our success in our area. This is just the San Antonio SBDC with, this is how many clients we advised, almost 1,700. 9 people did 8,000 hours of advising. We had 252 distinct training events. We serviced 8,000 or more different entrepreneurs. And because a lot of our training is online and Zoom, we're now seeing people coming in from Houston and Dallas and Austin and across the country to assist our training and come to our training. So we really do have the best training. We help create 821 jobs with our clients and retain 743 jobs. 91 business starts and 105 business expansions, and helped our clients raise $38 million in capital formation. So when we talk about business starts and expansions, it goes to show you that we do a lot of expansion. So a common misnomer for us is that people think all we do is help people start businesses, but actually our real forte is helping businesses expand, get that financing they need, open a second location. So a lot of us are that have been around for a while, like me, are working a lot with expansions. So we also have several special programs that we offer and that are unique to our center and that involve cooperation with different national entities. One of those is called the Building Business Excellence Program, and this is exclusively a training on soft skills for companies that are larger, that are expanding, and need to train the leadership in those soft skills to continue to be successful. So what this does, it helps the owner provide situational leadership, based on somebody's skill level, competency level, and based on somebody's ability to adapt and give it the right management and the right leadership for each level of competency within the company. It helps you learn what is the best way to hire people, how to resolve conflict, how to influence ethically, to win customers and to win the loyalty of employees. It improves your decision making because we always go back to those values. So every entity has values. We do too. We have been managed this way since 2002, I believe. And we are one of the highest performing SBDCs in the country. This was started by Holt. This whole idea of values-based leadership was started in our area by Holt Caterpillar. And as you know, they also own the Spurs. And they were able to create for us this special program for our emerging businesses that are growing very quickly. They're exporting or they have several employees. And they start the leadership training at the top, and then all the employees end up going through the training. So everybody is on the same vocabulary and saying and doing and attending to the values in the same way. It has been extremely successful. This is something that we do charge for. And if you do have companies that are in the mid-size range and are growing and have several employees and want to grow, this would be an excellent program for them. We also have a program called the SURE program. We just inaugurated it last year. And this is working with the College of Business at the university, where students get together with our entrepreneurs and create a mentoring program for the students and for the entrepreneurs. And it's been extremely successful. And we're going to be continuing to do this. This is a training that is very extensive. It goes for several weeks, and but it is at no cost to the entrepreneurs. And the last program that is a special program that is probably one of our most popular programs is called Profit Mastery. And you have to be certified in this program to be able to facilitate it at your local SBDC. But this program is also charges a nominal fee because we have to recover for the books that we give to our clients and that come with this class. And it is all about understanding the financials for a company. You know, what is the difference between cash and profit? How do you stack up against your industry? What are the financial metrics that your industry has, and are you aligned with that? It takes you, it makes effective pricing decisions. How do you price? What's the difference between gross margin and gross profit? How do you get ready for a bank loan? How do you plan for a transition? How do you strengthen your relationship with your lenders? And this is a 16-hour class over 4 days. And it is probably the most popular class that we have. I only do this once a year, but now I have 2 colleagues that are trained as facilitators. So now we're going to be offering this class 3 times a year. And really, it is the best class that any entrepreneur could take, trying to understand how money moves through their business. We also provide different programs that the community asks us to create for them. So, for example, Alamo Workforce Development asked us to create a boot camp for women business entrepreneurs, which was a whole day that went from the startup to how to understand your finances, to how to market, to how to use social media, and how to understand DISC, which is, you know, the communications profile personality test, that how to understand who you're dealing with in a customer relationship or how to interact effectively with your own staff. We have done trainings for the San Antonio Board of Realtors to help beginning realtors, you know, beef up their businesses, how to get in, how to get started, how to account for their businesses, how should market, etc. And also for the health industry. We were doing a program with the UT Health nurse practitioner program on how they could set up their own practices and so on. So we also do specialized training in underserved communities. So for example, we have programs that we tailor with the YWCA to target women entrepreneurs in low to moderate income areas. We also have a strong supporting, we have a wonderful veteran that works with us, and we do a lot of specific training for veterans. So that is just a nutshell of what we provide and how we do. But our bread and butter is just to make sure that you know we exist and that we're here to assist your businesses and grow your businesses at no cost to the business owner. Our counseling, all you have to do is become a client to be advised, and it's at no cost. And your client sign-up sheet serves as our confidentiality agreement. So with that, I hope you've come and see us at the SBDC. I go out to Hondo or Casterville often, so please come and join us, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.